There are 5 simple ways to trigger your happy hormones. Sure, you wanna know about them, so stay tuned and know them. First one is engage in stress reduction behavior. That means engaging in activities such as meditation, yoga, massages, and listening to soothing music can help normalize your levels of the stress hormone cortisol. Number 2 is smile a lot. You know, the act of smiling activates the neurotransmitters in your brain such as dopamine, endorphins, and serotonin. These are our feel-good hormones and enhances our well-being and positivity. Third is get outside. Make it a priority to spend at least 20 minutes outside each day. Get some fresh air and sunshine because it can increase the brain's release of a hormone called serotonin. Because serotonin is associated with boosting mood and helping a person feel calm and focused. Number 4 is consume more protein. Why more protein? Because consuming adequate amount of protein such as whole egg, almonds and chicken breast that triggers the production of hormones that suppresses appetite and help you feel full. So aim for a minimum of 20 to 30 grams of protein in your every meal. And fifth one is engage in regular exercise. As in, physical activity can modify hormone levels in a way that reduces the risk of diseases and protects muscle mass during the aging process. When you exercise, your body releases endorphins and the feel-good hormone dopamine in your brain. Not only is our brain dumping out feel-good chemicals, but exercising also helps our brain to get rid of chemicals that make you feel stressed and anxious. Hope so, this beautiful information will surely make your day. So stay happy and stay tuned for more content like this. This is Divya from Tegonity Academy. We'll see you soon in a very new video. To get notified for next video, subscribe to the channel and do press the bell icon. Till then, goodbye. Take care.